So, my name's Hama, and I swear I'm cursed. Yesterday, I tried to build a chicken farm. Simple, right? Wrong. I put down the hoppers, the chest, the dispenser with eggs. First egg, boom, baby chicken. Second egg, boom, another chicken. Third egg, boom, a freaking chicken jockey with a baby zombie riding it. The little guy hops out, steals my helmet, and starts chasing me around my own farm. The chickens are screaming, eggs are flying everywhere, and I'm running like a maniac with a baby zombie on a chicken right behind me. In the end, I had no farm, no helmet, and somehow 47 chickens living inside my house. Moral of the story? Don't trust eggs.